Hello everyone, my name is Shinde Pooja. Today's our topic is service marketing CIA first, and I give presentation on banking sector, and I choose a HDFC Bank Sangamner branch banking sector. Yes, HDFC Bank is of India's leading private banks, and I was among the first to receive approval from the Reserve Bank of India to set up a private sector bank in 1994. HDFC Bank offer a diverse range of financial product and banking to customers through growing branch and ATM network and digital channels such as net banking, uh, phone banking. First, we see the product. HDFC offer a large array of product and services. First one is credit card. Credit card is a payment card issue to user to enable the card holder to pay a merchant of good or services based on card holder and accurate debit. Second is consumer banking, the provision of a service by bank to the general public rather than for companies, corporation or other banks, which are often described as a wholesaler banking. Third one is a commercial banking. Commercial banking is financial institution which accepts deposit from public and gives loans for the purpose of consumption and investment to the make profit. Fourth one is finance and insurance. Insurance service are the economic service provided by finance industry. Fifth one is investment banking. Investment banking is a financial and service company or a corporate division that engage in a diversity based financial transaction, one or on behalf of individual corporation and government. Sixth one is mortgage loans. Mortgage loans is a loan either used by purchase of real property to raise funds. Seventh is private banking. Private banking means is banking, investment and other financial services. Last one is wealth management. Wealth management provides service to wide array of client, ranging from the affluent to high net worth and ultra net worth individual and families. Price. Below the pricing strategy in HDFC Bank and marketing strategy. HDFC Bank follows a competitive pricing strategy in its marketing mix but maintains a premium level at the same time. The other domestic competitors are either purpose of National Bank. HDFC Bank is always priced higher in terms of minimum cap required to open new account. It is clearly visible that it enjoy maximum market capital in terms of shares. Next one is place. Following is the distribution strategy in the HDFC marketing mix. HDFC banks has got a strong preference in all Sangamner. Next one is promotion. The promotional and advertising strategy in the HDFC Bank marketing strategy is as follows. HDFC Bank focused a lot on the promotion strategy. It is in its marketing mix. HDFC Bank has always made in a presence for the media through advertise poster, newspaper, magazines, etc. People. HDFC Bank gives strong importance on its people seen customer and employees. Through a multi demographic culture, it is clearly visible that HDFC believes in a diversity and inclusion. With the help of this advanced technology, HDFC Bank employees will be high satisfied, and they will always get a competitive edge over others. Next one is process. HDFC Bank has several business process like all other financial institution. The customer are also successful retained, and new ones are attracted. Next one is physical evidence. HDFC provides best in-house facilities with a data infrastructure and global environment in all its office. The complete setup helps the employees to experience the best work environment, so that they perform as per the organization expectation. It is the digital era, and very large number of customer are using their smartphones. Conclusion: utilization of marketing mix in banking sector is expanding step by step with the 4 Cs. So bank marketing idea is significant for each bank. The primarily motivation behind this investigation is to get a diagram of a bank marketing, and to diver of a part of marketing in a financial business, and see that how marketing mix product, price, place, promotion is generally significant for a bank. So all this from my side. Thank you so much.